The first thing we want to do is make sure our Show Hide button is on. So this is under the Home tab and Paragraph group. So you want to make sure that it's highlighted like this. Make sure it's on. Then what we're going to do is we're going to key in the words Campbell's Confections. Don't worry about mistakes or anything, we'll correct those in a little bit. Then we're going to move the insertion point, which is this blinking line. That means it's an insertion point. When I hover close to it, you notice I get this other symbol. This is considered an I-beam. See how it looks like an I? So we're going to put our insertion point to the left of the word Campbell's by positioning our I-beam over here and clicking. Then we're going to move the insertion point back to the right of Confections. So again, we're going to hover where we want our I-beam to be. We're going to click, and now you have that blinking insertion point. Now we're going to continue to type this sentence by misspelling a word. We're going to press the space bar, and then we're going to key in, is Western Pennsylvania's leading candy maker. But we're going to spell leading incorrectly. And don't use a period. So you'll notice that Word automatically recognized that leading is a misspelled word by putting a red wavy line underneath it. It also recognizes that I spelled Campbell's incorrectly. You'll also notice down here that in the status bar, there's a proving errors icon that indicates that we have errors that still exist in this document. To correct the misspelling, we're going to use our mouse and we're going to position our I-beam anywhere on top of the red underlined words, and then we're going to right click the mouse button, and here we'll see a shortcut menu that gives us suggested spellings. So we're going to click the first one, leading, with the left mouse button, and this corrects this mistake for us. We can also do it here and correct that as well. Also notice that now we have a check mark down here showing that all of our errors are fixed. So if you have any other errors that you need fixed at this moment, go ahead and do that so that we get this icon down here. Now we're going to move our insertion point to the right of maker. And we're going to press spacebar, and then again we're going to continue writing a sentence. So we're going to do another misspelled word, and we're going to key in ADN. And then press spacebar. And you notice that this corrects it to be the word and, because this is a commonly used mistake. We're going to complete the sentence by typing in, is located in Grove City on Main Street. We're going to make sure our insertion point is to the immediate right of the following of the period following street, and then we're going to press spacebar once, and we're going to key in the following text. It is a family-owned business with several stores located in western Pennsylvania, eastern Ohio, and northern West Virginia. Notice how as you type, the words automatically wrap around at the end of this line to start a new line. Now we're going to press enter once to start a new paragraph. Again, notice these show hide marks that show us that this is a new paragraph. We're going to key in another paragraph, and the paragraph is, for more information about Campbell's Confections, visit one of our stores Monday through Saturday or visit our website anytime. Our sales associates will be happy to assist you. Now, do you notice when I typed in Monday, Word automatically gives you a chance to go ahead and hit enter, and it will put it in there for you. Same thing with Saturday. Now we're going to move our insertion point to the right of the word it in the second sentence. So you see that your insertion point is blinking. We're going to press backspace twice to delete both characters. And we're going to key in Campbell's Confections. Now we're going to move the insertion point to the left of 1 in the second paragraph. We're going to press delete 3 times, and we're going to key in any. Now we're going to move our insertion point to the left of the word information in the second paragraph. We're going to hold down Control and press backspace. So that deletes the entire word. Then we're going to move the insertion point to the right of Grove City in the first sentence. We're going to hold down Control and this time delete. And again, that deletes the whole word. Then we're going to press Control Delete 2 more times to delete Main Street. In the first sentence of the first paragraph, we're going to move our insertion point to the left of the G in Grove City. And we're going to key downtown and press space once. So you notice that I typed downtown and it just moved over the other text as we typed. Now we're going to move the insertion point to the beginning of the document to the left of Campbell's. We're going to click the File tab and the Options button. We're going to click Advanced here on the left navigation. We're going to locate the editing options, and we're going to click to select Use Over Type Mode. Then we're going to press OK. Now we're going to press Caps Lock, and we're going to key in Campbell's Confections, all lowercase. And you'll notice that this completely overwrites what was there. Now we're going to move the mouse pointer to the status bar. And we're going to press the right button on the mouse. And we're going to locate the overtype. We're going to click the left mouse button. Then we're going to click back on the text area to close that. Then we're going to notice down here that now it's telling you that we're in overtype mode, which means you can type over top of the text that is existing. Now we're going to position the insertion point to the left of Campbell's Confections in the second sentence of the first paragraph. We're going to verify that Caps Lock is still on, and we're going to key Campbell's Confections again, all lowercase. Then we're going to click the overtype down here to switch it to the insert mode. We're going to press caps lock to turn it off. We're going to click the File tab, click Options command again, go to Advanced, want to be under the editing options, and we're going to verify that Use Overtype Mode is deselected, which it is. So we're going to click OK. Then we're going to right click the status bar, and we're going to deselect Overtype. We're going to click the text area to close that. So now there's nothing down here. Now at the end of the first paragraph, we're going to position the insertion point to the left of the paragraph mark after the period following West Virginia. We're going to press delete once, and this makes the two paragraphs now combined into one. We're going to press spacebar once to insert a space between the sentences, which I already have one. Now with the insertion point to the left of 4, we're going to press enter, and this splits them up into two paragraphs again.